Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out this travel cooler, and the brand was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Look at this really nice collapsible here, so you can load up all your stuff and then be good to go. This easily removes. It just has a little push button back here, and then it pops off just like that, and then you can take it, and then you have your little travel thing here. It does fold up out of the way. And then you could use this to transport other stuff if you would like to. In addition to this, as you saw, this goes up and down. And then this here, really, it's really nice, really thick, padded insulation in there. Look at all that inside of there. Looks really nice. You have a whole bunch of different compartments on here, so you can stow away stuff. In addition to maybe your cool things, taking this to the beach, you want to throw in your sunscreen, couple of other doodads and stuff in there. I know the ladies like to carry a lot of stuff. Us guys, we just phone, keys, we're good to go, whatever. But inside here, yeah, you're gonna have plenty of room to throw anything that you want to. And then these right here, these zippers are actually really nice zippers. I know a lot of times whenever you buy stuff, you get really cheap zippers, but look at those zippers on there. Those are really nice. And then right back there on the back side, that's the little clip that clips back here onto this. And then just like I showed you, really easy to do that. You just take this, it slides back in here, push it down, and then it is good to go. This thing isn't going anywhere unless you really try to make it go somewhere. But overall, great little products right here. Gonna have to highly recommend it. Go ahead and check this one out.